guys, my name's Anthony and this is Crypto for You. Today I'm going to talk about the sad news that I got. So Bitcoin just broke below this bear flag and it's actually falling. I'm going to talk about where I think it's going to fall to, and I'm going to talk about how strong it is. Also, I'm going to talk about a little bit about this death cross and how it's affecting the price. Okay guys, first thing I want to show you is how Bitcoin just broke below it. Well, not just. It broke below it today at about in the morning in the Pacific time, and it broke below it in the morning, and so it just kept, and now it's just breaking down like crazy. So, and I'm gonna be showing you guys. So I got red lines right here. This is where I expect Bitcoin to go, right? Either if it's gonna keep going down, I expect it to go somewhere. Okay, I expect it to go 6,000. I expect it to go to 6,000. It might go to 5,725, and lastly 5,400. And if it breaks all of those, then it's going to the 5,000 level. Whoa, this is already I'm getting too far ahead of myself. But that's what I'm saying, guys. Bitcoin just broke the trend line. And some people call this just a trend line. So if you take these the lines away, you'll call it a trend line. Some people call this a bear flag, like I do. The two blue lines without the yellow line, they're just like this tunnel. If you zoom out, it's like if you draw a line like this. If you draw a line like that, and it's like looks like a flag. So, and some people call it a trend line. Well, I mean, not a trend line, upwards trending triangle. So if we take this blue line away, it kind of looks like a triangle that goes up, and it went to the most tension point right here. So, and it broke to the downside, not the upside, and that's pretty sad because I was actually expecting it to fall. My dad told me he thinks it is the triangle. It actually kind of is. So that kind of is a triangle, but it's kind of the bear flag too at the same time. So if we go and take all this away and show you the how is it called, the Bollinger Bands, warning: take your money out. Bitcoin was crashing. Bitcoin is crashing, and it's the mouth open. The wider it opens, the farther it will go. So Bitcoin crashing super far right now. So it's going below this mouth opening, and that's rare. 95% of the time, the Bollinger Bands, the price is inside. So when it goes down, it's below this line, which is the 20-day moving average. Actually, guys, just FYI. This is the 20-day moving average, and if the mouth opens, the volatility, that means is growing, and the faster the mouth, the higher it opens, the more volatility. So when the mouth starts to close, that means Bitcoin stops going. So I was waiting, because the less volatility, that means it's like energy is growing to kinetic energy, and so it had to be potential energy soon. It had to do something with its energy, so it just bounced down, and now it's falling. So, like I told you, the 5,000 level, the 6,000 level, that's where I think it's going to go. So, that's kind of sad that it just broke below it. So, if we if we talk about how is it called? The death cross. So, last video, I kind of got mistaken for the death cross with the 20-day moving average. The death cross is actually, the red line is the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average. I mistaked it with the 200-day moving average and the 20-day moving average. So I think, so that's kind of pretty sad. And let me take my face out of here and show you guys how it just did so if we look at the big chart, we broke below the trend line too. So it's already written. So the farther you go out, even if we go out to the farthest, which still says we're still going up, because it's like the weekly chart, so that one's not that accurate. But so let me talk about the bear flag a little. Not the bear flag. Let me talk about the death cross for a little bit. Just tell you what it is. So it's the bear flag, but the death cross. I find it between the moving averages, the 200-day moving averages, like I said before, and the 50-day moving average. The green and the red. The red is the 200-day, and this is the green. The green is the 50-day. You can see it right here in this little corner. So if 200 days on top, that means we're gonna be soon crashing, like it happened here. As soon as it started crashing, look what happened. Let me draw a line of when it crashed. So it started crashing here, and that is, so I'll draw. So it started somewhere here. Bitcoin was going up, and then it just stopped. As you guys can see right here, Bitcoin was going up. It was like, yay, I'm going up, going up. But they were meeting, and as soon as they met, 200 days on top now, and now we're crashing. And so when you see the 200-day on top, that means it's gonna be bearish. So I think I'm starting to be a little bit more bearish than bullish now. I knew it would go up, and now it's falling. So, guys, I'm sad that Bitcoin's falling because, well, I really wanted Bitcoin to go back to 10,000, 9,000 at least, but the indicators are all pointing the other way. So, I'll update you next time when I do a video. Thanks for watching this little update video. Subscribe down below, like the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't enjoy it, hit the thumbs down button twice. Not once, twice. Just do it for me, twice. Don't do it once, twice. So, see you guys tomorrow or next time I do the video. Bye!